Well, they left me in charge of the machine. Apparently this is a really easy machine to run. We have two levers. This is the manual lever. This is the automatic, semi-automatic lever. Oh, I can't even get it wrong. Semi-automatic, and that's the automatic knob. You literally have to do bugger all with it. Apart from that. Off the knob. Right, we've got a serious job to do, and it's quite difficult because we're supposed to have some proper jacks for the number 180. We don't have the proper jacks because we've never needed them. We've got to raise the pot from where it is at offset shot to centre shot, and we need jacks, and we've got to move this big arse. Up in the air about 8 inches. Every man knows that 8 inches is about this big, and every girl thinks it's about this big. So it's going to be a bit of a dodgy situation that we'll have to go through to raise the pot. I'm going to tell my brother we're going to lift it. He's not going to be happy. I'm going to be happy. What's to put more pressure on you? We're going to raise the prop.
Okay. Read that. Trying to part of a piece of H13 here with no pump. No. Okay. But if you've got to ask, say, query it like that.
Sorry mate, you don't care.
Rewiring the pump. What am I doing? I'm doing unnecessary shit. Doing things that should have been totally taken care of.
What's wrong with the pump?
It's never had one.
You never had one?
Now I've got one. Have one.
Okay, sweet, I suppose. Is that off? It's cooled down a bit now. So this is a kidney. This thing was alright. It was a kidney. It was a kidney. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Hell. If you can see, it was supposed to be cylindrical, but it's bulged out at the top, and then the end here has gone very misshapen. It's supposed to be domed. These are supposed to be straight edges. That ring that you see around the top there, that is supposed to be flat, but as you can see, it's bulged out so much.
Black, blue, grey, red.
And we need to turn another one, which is where the Colchester comes in, the student. You just turn another one. He's already done one for the number 8, this is for the number 10. Look at the state of this thing here. You're going to see how bloody warped it is. That's what happens when it gets too hot. And too old. It's essentially scrap now. We've got to turn one, but it needs the pump on to work, to cool it down, because it's been a long time since we've had a pump on this thing. But now we've got 2 kidney pieces that we're trying to make over the past few days. You've got to part that off because that's been used to smash them as in. You've got to part that off and it's screaming like bugger all.
It's ready, flavour!
Yeah.
Oh my God. What?
Yes. Clips. What clips do you want? What clips?
Don't matter, I'll show you, don't matter. Still
Okay, I'll go back to what I was doing. Packing. Somebody's got to make some money around here. Did I say that out loud? Let's talk about consumable parts that we make for our own machines. Now, the kidney I showed you, which is this one, which is a consumable part. It's a piece of H13 steel. Got a hole through the middle. There you go. It's all bent out of shape. So Nick's had to make a new one. These used to cost us, well, I think it was, they used to cost back in the 80s and 90s about 20 quid a piece. That was back then. I think the last one we bought before we had the lathe, it cost us about 70 quid. That's an expense for a consumable part. I mean, we was buying one every couple of months for each machine, so we had at the time about 6 machines, 7 machines. So we was looking at that. It's going to cost you the best part of 500 quid a month just to buy these. Now all we've got to do is buy the steel and spend a bit of money in the labour, which saved us a fortune. We've actually sold a few to some people, and because we don't make them to sell them, it's not part of our business. We can actually charge an absolute fortune for them, but we don't sell that many as all. I think the last one we made, somebody was absolutely desperate and they just pay anything, and we hadn't got the bits and pieces, so it cost 600 quid. So if you're looking to buy one of them for an EMB now, it's probably going to cost you about £150 a piece. So we can't afford to be paying £150 a piece for a fucking consumable bits. Don't feed the animals. They just run around here like it's a safari park. But yeah, we save about £150 every time we eat one of these. Useful. And this is where the kidney sits. The kidney is a turn part. This turn part allows the zinc to flow from the pot through the bush into the back of the die to create the component part, which is called the nozzle. This is also a consumable part and we turn ourselves. What's our brother? Presents over the weekend. Found it in the charity shop, 25 quid. It's a batty surface gauge, surface dial. Let's see what this is. Comes in a box and everything. Presley.
Well, sugar martin.
Sugar martin.
What my action white to that.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? I haven't got an imperial one of these.
Is it imperial?
I haven't got. Yes, an imperial. I haven't got one of these. I've got 4 metric ones. I haven't got an imperial one.
So it's useful then.
Doesn't make up for everything.
Can you raise the pot now?
This is never been opened.
Ah?
This has never been used.
It's no, I don't think it's ever been used. I think whoever bought it, they don't realise what they've
Still
got.
got
Yeah, it's still got everything in the bottom.
But they've never opened. They've never actually broke the seal of the cardboard.
Oh, it has been used.
It has been used.
I don't know, it might not have been.
Nah, it's been used.
Has it? Some broke.
Yeah, it's got a couple of little. No, nothing's broke. Tail complete. I've got the bracket for that anyway, so. Not bad.
I thought for 25 quid I couldn't miss it.
Not bad, that, There
Nice.
you go. Got a fucking smile out.
Oh my god. Don't like that. Smiling. Don't like smiling. Not for me. Morning, Gary. Morning. So that there with the flame on it is the kidney. The back of it, that's the nozzle, that's the kidney. That's the bit that Nick's just replaced. It's been in about a day. Now the machine's working properly. Without stopping. Sweet. What a repair done. Now it's time to jack up the pot on the 180. This is another kidney. Only this one, you see my thumb, is absolutely huge. Because it goes on this machine. Yeah, the one on the number 10 is only a little one. It's about this big. That's a number 12. So there's a 10. That's a 10. That's a 10 kidney. That's a 10 kidney. That's the one he's just made, that size. And that's that one. Big difference.
I literally don't understand
What?
how are they in business?
Can't tell me.
Government department, isn't it?
Well, some bloke knocked on the door the weekend on Saturday, and their government has decided to start its own broadband company. I literally, fuck off. And he went, Rick, that's a real good deal. I went, oh, I bet it is. Yeah, but he needs an engineer. Yeah, I bet it is.
Oh no.
We'll snoop on everybody, we'll know all this. Like, fuck off.
Looks like there's a little bit of oil. Well, as you can see, that and that is how you raise the bottle. But now it's done that one job, it can be set there, left. We'll never have to lower it again until that jump turns up. We've got to figure it out because lowering it's a bitch.